Prague. Prague is the capital city of the Czech Republic, and is bisected by the Vltava River. Prague is known for its diverse armature and galleries, along with its abundant and cheap escapism, and expansive shopping options. Prague is also notorious for its good food and cheap beer, along with its UNESCO World Heritage Megacity Center. Places to visit in Prague. 1. Prague Castle. Prague Castle is a literal structure complex, innovated in 880 as a seat of power for the Bohemian kings. Prague Castle is the largest coherent castle complex in the world. Prague Castle is the sanctioned office of the President of the Czech Republic. 2. Wenceslas Square. Wenceslas Square is a shopping center for excursionists. The most popular brands can be set up in the lower part of the forecourt. The top part of Wenceslas Square is dominated by the neo-Renaissance structure of the National Museum, which was innovated in 1818. 3. St. Vitus Cathedral. Vitus Cathedral is the largest and the most important tabernacle in Prague. Piecemeal from religious services, coronations of Czech lords and queens also took place then. An edifice is a place of burial of several patron saints, rulers, lords, and archbishops. 4. Charles Bridge. Charles Bridge was the most important connection between Prague Castle and the megacity's Old Town and Conterminous areas. This land connection made Prague important as a trade route between Eastern and Western Europe. Charles Bridge is the oldest ground still standing over the Vltava Swash in Prague and the alternate oldest ground in the Czech Republic. 5. Czechia. The Czech Republic, also called Czechia, is a landlocked country in Central Europe. It comprises the literal businesses of Bohemia and Moravia along with the southern tip of Silesia, inclusively frequently called the Czech lands. In 2016 the country espoused the name Czechia as a informal name for the Czech Republic. 6. Ostrava. Ostrava is best known for its extensive coal mines, blast furnaces, and steelworks manufactories, and the most notorious bone is Dolna Vitka Vice. Ostrava has a little of everything. An artificial center on the border with Poland. Ostrava clearly is not the most beautiful megacity in the Czech Republic. It is, after all, known as the Sword Heart of the Republic, but it's worth a late trip. 7. Olomouc. Olomouc is also known for its cradles. Olomouc's old city is magical. Far and wide you look, you see beautiful structures, churches, huge cradles, and emotional columns. Olomouc is opulent. Numerous people dare to say that it's a mini Prague with a Baroque touch. We cannot compare the two metropolises, but both are surely worth visiting. 8. Karlovy Vary. Karlovy Vary is notorious for its hot springs and its various and capricious architecture. Karlovy Vary may be one of Europe's stylish places to visit once spring rolls around. While the megacity is full of premises and auditoriums, it's the numerous cherry blossom trees that really bring spring to life then. For anyone who visits Karlovy Vary around also, the trees bursting with pink flowers are insolvable to ignore. 9. Kutná Hora. Kutná Hora is a megacity in central Bohemia, Czech Republic. It's located about an hour east of Prague. Utmost people equate Kutná Hora with the Sedlec ossuary, else known as the Bone Tabernacle. It's notorious and one of the most destinations for excursionists visiting the Czech Republic. Thanks for watching.